to Adroit Learning Management System, your ultimate platform for seamless course management and delivery. Today, we're taking you through a step-by-step guide on how to curate and enhance your courses with Adroit's intelligent features. Let's dive into our courses. Here, you'll find a comprehensive list of all your available courses. Now we're inside our chosen course. Here, we can refine the learning experience by customizing individual classes. Within the class, we have the power to tailor every detail to meet our learners' needs. First up, we'll craft a compelling overview to provide learners with a clear understanding of what to expect. Next, let's define our objectives. What do we aim to achieve with this class? Clear objectives give learners a sense of direction and purpose. Lastly, we can provide any supplementary information or resources to enrich the learning experience. Additional resources can further engage learners and deepen their understanding. With our details set, it's time to save our progress and take advantage of Adroit's advanced AI features. Now watch as Adroit's AI technology works its magic. Here come the recommendations. As course curators, we have the flexibility to choose the most relevant supplementary content for our learners. And just like that, our prerequisites are saved and ready to enhance our course. Notice how the selected content seamlessly integrates with our course details, providing learners with easy access to additional resources. That concludes our walkthrough of Adroit's course customization features. With its intuitive interface and powerful AI capabilities, Adroit LMS empowers educators to create truly impactful learning experiences.